AutoDNA Car Check Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get vehicle history reports wrong. They assume a quick glance at a used car listing is enough. The surprising truth about AutoDNA is that it provides comprehensive, easy-to-read reports on a car's past, and you won't believe how much money and stress it can save you when buying used cars. Here's how it works. AutoDNA aggregates data from multiple sources, including accident reports, mileage records, and previous owners. You simply enter the vehicle identification number, and the platform generates a detailed report covering mileage validation, accident history, theft records, and even service history where available. For example, a buyer considering a 2018 sedan can see if the car has ever been in a major accident, had odometer discrepancies, or suffered flood damage. Most people get this wrong. They assume cars sold as clean are safe, but AutoDNA reveals hidden issues before you make a purchase. Additional features include VIN decoding, technical specifications, and price comparisons to see if the car is fairly valued. Users praise AutoDNA for clarity, speed, and the peace of mind it offers before investing thousands of dollars. However, there are considerations. Some data may be incomplete for certain regions, and not all minor repairs or private sales are tracked. Most people assume a single report guarantees perfection. It's a tool to inform, not a replacement for a personal inspection. In conclusion, AutoDNA is ideal for anyone buying or selling used cars who wants transparency, reduces risks, and avoids costly surprises. It's an essential tool for informed vehicle transactions. Subscribe for more honest reviews of automotive tools and services.